What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about Steem it, and after that how do you transfer your Steem or Steem dollars into SteemPower. I'm gonna do a step by step walkthrough and a guide for you guys. So once you have reached here, and example you have some Steem dollars, you want to convert it into SteemPower, just simply click on this, and after that you will see all these complicated buttons. What you need to do is just click on buy. After that you click on buy, it will direct you into direct you to this page, and after that you will see this send and after that receive. So I want SteemPower, so I will just click SteemPower. So I will just scroll down all the way and find for my Steem dollar, be it you want to transfer Steem Steem it or the Steem tokens. If not Steem dollars, you can just simply look at your profile, and after that just copy it. I will just simply copy this, and after that I will head over back here, and after that just click on this. So you'll be calculated, and I'm gonna get 0.02 Steem power for 0.014 Steem back dollars. So just enter your username and just get the deposit address, and after that it will generate itself. And after that, this is the part that is gonna get confusing, and after that some people may mess up on this, as I already messed up on this and I send it to another person instead of myself because of my block name and my username. As you can see, my block name is simply everything, so I tried to enter my username. My username is Zane JJ, so it will say does not appear. So I'll just back, and after that enter it again. It is valid right now. So this is kind of a bug. So at first I didn't know what was happening, so I just simply just type this as the as my ready for the trade, meaning I'm gonna send money towards this person. So no, I'm gonna send it to myself. So at this your receive address, this is your receive address, and after that this is the money where you're gonna trade it from, meaning which account you're gonna send it from. So you will just click on this, you enter your same username, and after that username you just click on transfer using Steem Connect. Just click on this, and after that it will direct a pop-up page. Let it load for a while. Alright, it will redirect you to this Steem Connect, as this is their API, and after that a safe platform for you to do this. And after that you will see your Steem back dollars going to be traded to block trades, and after that block trades will give you your Steem power. So you just click on continue, and need to enter your password and everything. So I already saved mine. Just click on sign in. This is to verify that you are the owner of the Steem account, so you can't scam or do some bug on it. So as you can see, it's successfully broadcast. So I will just hit a refresh here. My Steem back dollars is 0.014. It's going to be converted into my Steem power. Let it load for a while, it's kind of slow. Alright, as you can see, I have already transferred my Steem back dollars into Steem power, and after you appear here, so it's kind of little. So this is how you use the exchange on Steem it, as it's kind of buggy and complicated for some people who do not know how to use it. So you can see congratulations, is being broadcast. So once everything is done, just hit a refresh. Normally your transaction will take less than a second, so this is instant transaction from and after that, zero fees for trading Steem back dollars and Steem to SteemPower, and therefore trade here and there using the Steem platform is completely zero fee. So this is the good thing, and after that is lightning fast. So alright, I'm done with this tutorial. So I'm gonna head over to my updates and on my passive income lending platform. Alright, as you can see, the first one is Hextra coin, as I have just broke even successfully from their lending platform. As I'm gonna show you the days I'm in it. I'm in this platform around for, I would say, 60 days or so. Alright, as you can see, I'm here for 68 days, and after that the total earned by the lending platform, it is just $78.22. I have not really broke even, but technically with the gold lending 21 days, I have earned $29, and after that these two sum add up together to be $107 earned. And after that I have converted all the lending profits into Hextra token. So technically I am at 200% ROI. As you can see, I have 15 tokens right now, and the value to the token, it is $218, so I have technically broke even and double my profit using Hextra platform. As if you guys want to join, you could use the link down below. It's listed down below, and this is the lending platform, but I would not really suggest people to start into lending platform, as we all seen what BitConnect has done, and after that it's just sooner or later for other lending platform to be taken down one by one. As now of course, getting in early into something is you're gonna profit from it, and after that this is somehow a Ponzi scheme that people would say, but as long as you make money from it, as long as they pay everyone out, nobody's gonna spread a fart like they scam or whatsoever. So the next passive income is my cloud mining services. So as you can see, I have a balance of 0.0075 Bitcoin here, and I can't withdraw it because the minimum fund to withdraw is 0.05. And after that, how long am I in this platform? As I already done the calculator here, I started off my shaft 256 mining on the 18th of November 2017, and today it is a result of 67 days, and I have already made like $83 compared to the USD value right here. I have already made $83. So I would say like I'm halfway there, because when the time I bought my SHA-256 to 1 terahash, it is around $150 before they have increased the price 160 or so. I bought it during the Black Friday sale, so technically I will break even more faster than everyone that has missed the event and missed the sales, and bought their hash power at a rate of 220 per terahash. So if you guys are keen to join cloud mining services like Hashflare, when you buy the contract right now, you will receive your next payout tomorrow, so it's an instant passive profit. But bear in mind that the withdrawal minimum is 0.05 for now, as the Bitcoin transaction meme pool was stacked with transactions, so they can't really send out micro payments that is less than this amount. Like it is gonna kill lots of fees, so they decided to up their minimum withdrawal to 0.05, which is like around, I'm not sure, it's quite a sum, but I'm not going to calculate it. It's more than a 500. I think I can show you here. So 0.047 is already 500 USD, so 0.05 technically is around 500 to 600 US dollar value. So alright, I'm done with this cloud mining services. As for my USI tech, I'm not going to talk about it, as the payouts there is not really that fascinating, and I would not really recommend people to join all these platform. I would definitely recommend cloud mining services like Hashflare and CCG mining. The link is all down below. You can sign up using my referral link, and of course I will earn some commission, and this is a way to help me and support me on my crypto journey on YouTube. So alright, let's talk about IceRock mining. This ICO, I have made a review about it yesterday, and after that today they have raised a total of $91,000 472 for their first 2 days. I would say like around fourth day of their ICO. So it's a good process, but they have not really done Facebook advertising. So I have not I went to Facebook and I did not see IceRock mining being listed on Facebook. So I think that after their private pre-sales, they will do some marketing on it, because the private pre-sales is for potential investors to invest more than $100, and after that get a bonus of 50%. Meaning if you invest $100 right now, you are gonna get $150 worth of token. Technically you have already made a profit of 50%. So why not just head into IceRock mining right now, and of course hold the token till the day that they provide their first payout, which is around August, as they will start mining on the July of 1st of July to the 10th of July. They will start mining, and after that the next payout will be on the next month, so it will be on August. So what they accept for their payment form is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can just click on the link down below, sign up, and after that of course I will get a commission too. This is also another way of helping me, supporting me. Instead of giving me Bitcoins, I would rather you earn money, and at the same time I also earn money. So this is a win-win situation. So this is a dashboard, like how are you going to I'm going to teach you like how does the dashboard work. So technically, the first thing you do here is when you have signed up a brand new account, you will see my wallet. You just click on my wallet, and after that it will prompt you to enter your Ethereum address. As this Ethereum address, do not enter anyone's Ethereum address or your friends or whatsoever. Create your own Ethereum address using the my Ether wallet, and after that enter your ERC20 supported uh, Ethereum address, which is my Ether wallet, that I will recommend very much, and I will put a link down below on how to create on it. So after creating, you can just paste your Ethereum address, and after that it will show you the list of transactions you have, the tokens you have, the top 10 latest transaction and whatsoever. After everything is done, and if you are investing in Bitcoin, you will just head over to dashboard, and after that let it load. It's kind of slow, so bear with me. So alright, when you're at your dashboard, you can choose the payment method of investment. So what they accept right now is Bitcoin and Ethereum, but these two is wire transfer. I do not know if they accept it, but you can go to the Telegram group and ask for support if they accept these two currency. So I would say, let's say like if you want to invest with Bitcoin, so just click on Bitcoin, and after that the amount of Bitcoin you want to enter, let's say if you want to invest like let's say $100, just click here $100, and it will automatically fill up here, as it will show you how much you're gonna get. Buy $100, buy 100 worth 100 Rock 2 tokens with $100 USD, and after that once you click on the agree, and after that you just click on buy, it will be listed down here, and after that, example, this is a completed order. So you just simply they will show you how much token you're gonna get for the 50% bonus. So like for 100, you're definitely going to get 150. So let me show you. Just click on buy. Alright, it will load, and after that it will prompt you this order ID, and after that the order has been created. So you can just copy this address here, head over to your wallet and enter the address you have copied, and after that enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and after that upon one transaction, it will just automatically show that your order is processing. On the dashboard you will see, let me show you, it will be easier to show than speak it up to you. So scroll down, you will see the awaiting, it will change to pending, and after pending, after like around 15 to 20 minutes, it's gonna be stated completed, and your Rock 2 tokens is automatically transferred to your Ethereum address using the smart contract, and after that you will see 75 tokens here or 150 tokens here, and the amount of USD value you have sent using your Bitcoin wallet, and the time of it. And like this is going to show you like the price of your USD dollar compared with Bitcoin, compared with the Bitcoin price right now, and after that previously how much you invested. Like let's say $100 worth of Bitcoin is now 89, and after that eventually it will maybe drop, like say 85, because the price of Bitcoin grow, and after that you will get this amount listed over here. So like this will increase, and after that tell you your investment, your initial USD dollar value, and after all you're just gonna get extra 50% bonus. So if this price skyrocket and your tokens amount you got is more than this amount, meaning you have not lost anything or whatsoever. So the 50% bonus will end in 17 days and 14 hours. So a quick time to invest into this ICO, and I will leave the link. Something will pop up around this time of the video showing you that there's a review I made. You can watch it, and after that consider investing into IceRock mining. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification to know my next up video. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.